Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will be doing a demonstration on how to crochet the granite stitch or the moss stitch. That's what it is called. To do that, I am going to be working on my blanket that I have started just to show you how to crochet this lovely stitch. It is a very easy stitch. It's only been done on single crochet chain 1, single crochet chain 1. For this tutorial, I will be doing this on this blanket, and you need to crochet even numbers such as 10, 20, 22, 24, like that. It has to be even number to crochet this. So I'm just going to start on this, and let's get started. So I chain 2. Let's say you did your even numbers and then you did your single double crochet or single crochet. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be chaining here. I'm not going to chain here, a chain here. Do a single crochet there on the skip one, and I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip this one and then chain here, do a single crochet. Sorry, keep on saying single crochet for some reason. Okay, after doing the single crochet, we're going to chain 1, just like this, skip the next, and on the following, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 1, skip, and on the second, do a single crochet, just like this, skip. So this is all to it. So this is how we create the granite stitch or the moss stitch. Either way, it's the same stitch, and it gives you that nice nice look, like there's not many holes. When you do double, there's more, and when you do single, there's not. So if you want to make a baby blanket, dishcloth, see, I did not skip, so when you start talking, you miss that. Well, this is like we're creating the stitch, so this would be the foundation of the stitch. You will get confused. So continue crocheting all the way to the end, skip 1 to the next, do a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 on the second, single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. I am almost at the end of row 1. So I did my chain 1, and I'm just going to do a single crochet at the end to finish it, and I'm going to chain 2 to start the row 2. And this is the easiest way to do it. We just go between where the chains that we have done. So just go between and make a single crochet, chain 1, do a single crochet. So we're just repeating what we did. We're just repeating, and when you go to row 3, we repeat again, and this is how it looks like so far. Doesn't this look nice? Yeah, so my baby blanket is becoming nice. So I wanted to include the moss stitch, and I did not do a moss stitch tutorial or a granite stitch. Either way, it's called granite stitch or moss stitch, and I said, oh, let me do a tutorial to share it with my lovely subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I do giveaways. And I'm planning to do the giveaway again on October. Yeah, at least I can declutter, download my, like I'm a hoarder. I'm a yarn hoarder. And the yarn that I have, oh my goodness, it's unbelievable. I don't know. I haven't, well, I did. I'm not gonna lie. Like when I see a good yarn and I can't find it, if I find it, I buy it right away. Or else it's like, okay, where am I gonna find this yarn, right? When I find it, I buy it right away. And I stopped 2009 to 2000, I would say 15. Especially 2011, oh, that was my worst year. Well, it's not worst, like I spent over 13,000 buying yarn, and it's a good thing, and it's not a bad thing, but you know, I wish I didn't spend that much because now I don't have room to put them. Doesn't this look nice? This is the lovely stitch, the moss stitch, and lots of people crochet this stitch on a dishcloth, baby blankets, cardigans, because it's versatile on two sides. It can be used. This is the blanket that I am making, so it can be seen on two sides. So you chain one. I forgot to chain here, I think, didn't I? I chained here. Yeah, I forgot. So be careful. Don't skip the chain. So chain one. Just like this. And you can easily do this while watching TV, talking. Like, you won't miss anything. Well, so if you miss a chain, I wouldn't worry about it. Chain one, single crochet. Chain one, single crochet. So crochet all the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end to start the row 3. Okay, so I am at the end, and I did my single crochet, and here where I did the 2 chain, I'm going to do, I did my chain, and I'm going to do a single crochet there, just like this. So I'm going to turn, chain 2, and I'm going to repeat what I did on the previous row. So this is all to it. I did my single crochet on where the chain is, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. Okay, I'm going to be changing color because this yarn from my stash, this was, Walmart did a, they don't do it anymore. They did this Christmas, like there were white, black, I believe, and 2 ivy colors. Was it 2 white? I can't remember. Like there were 4 giant ball of, I think it was a Red Heart Saver, but they were giant for like $9.99. They were in bags. They don't sell them anymore. Well, I bought it then. I think it was 2014, I believe. And I just found this in one of my bags. Like when you open, that's why I don't like bags. I like these